Hello all, I am going to explain about Orion HMS software. Orion HMS means Orion Hotel Management Software. This software you can use for lodges, hotels, hotels and restaurants, homestays, resorts for room booking, reservation, for any laundry services. We can use this software. Here there is a means Orion HMS icon. Double click on the icon, and it will ask for username and password. Yes, username admin and password 1234. You can change the username and password as per user requirement. And this is the interface of the software. You can click on continue. Here this is the interface of the software and room views, in-house guest, how many guest has means how many guest has already logged in, and what is occupancy, expected arrivals, expected departures, and room calendars and reservation, these things and all. Here you can see dashboard. You can see like means what and all rooms view means in deluxe AC how many rooms are existed, in standard AC how many rooms are there, in super deluxe how many rooms are there. You can create a number of room types in number of rooms, and as well as whether the respective room is single occupancy or double occupancy or triple occupancy. Those details also you can enter, means you can capture in our software. And this is the overview, and this is the dashboard. Here you can see in house guest how many guests are staying, and what is the occupancy of respective rooms, and expected arrivals, expected departures, room calendars, and reservation list. These details and all will it get displayed. For example, if you want to create a room, means here there is an option called master. You can click on the master. Here what you can select, here there is an option called pay modes. Pay modes in the sense how customer is paying. Customer is paying by cash, card, GPay, phone pay. Here you can enter a means pay modes. And next will be in master, tax master, where means if you click on tax master, by using this tax master, what you can do, you can update the percentage of the respective room taxes, like for example 12%, 18%, like that. And one more option is room type. In room type, as you know, how many types of rooms are existed in our respective hotel or resort or homestay. Here you can differentiate whether that is deluxe, AC, or standard non-AC, or super deluxe, or else whether it is suite room. Those details under you can update. And what you can create means at the time of creation only, here you can update the water and all charges. And here there is a option means taxes, whether this is room tax, restaurant tax, any other activities tax. Since this is a room, I am updating a room tax. And here what you can do, you can give a means inbuilt discount. Inbuilt discount we can give, or else for example if any extra bed charges, for example you can go 750 will be extra bed charges for this deluxe, or else 350 will be extra bed charges for the deluxe, like that you can update. And for example if any other extra person, means for extra person also we can update. For example if it is 750 rupees or 1000 rupees or 500 rupees, like that you can update a extra person charge. These details and all there. And for example in some hotels, what will be happen, for example if it is single occupancy, which it will be some 2500. And for example if it is the double occupancy, which it will be uh, understood, 3500. Double occupancy I will give 4500, like that. Means you can update the single occupancy, double occupancy, triple occupancy, like that you can enter a n number of occupancies. Once you enter all those details, here there is an option called update. Yes, you can update. If you want to create, yes, you can click on a new and create. If you want to update, you can update. And if you want to delete also, yes, you can delete. The means this and all things will come in a room type. And next will be rate plan. In rate plan you can update like single occupancy, double occupancy, triple occupancy, like that you can update a number of rate plan. For example, if you update the rate plan by using rate plan master, those details will get display in room types. Here it will display. Here you can update the rates. And next will be rooms. Here what you can do, you can enter the room number, and the respective room number belongs to which type, whether it is deluxe, standard, or super deluxe, or else other. and room status, and what could be the room status also we can update here. And once you update all these details, you can click on save or else update. And for example, if it is new means you can click on if you want to create new means you can click on new, means already you have entered all the details means you can click on save. And for example, if you have changed any details means you can update those details, you can do it. And next will be item master. Item master in the sense, for example, yes, here what you can do, for example, if you have any restaurant, here you can update the items for means items which and all existed in our restaurant. The means those item details you can update by clicking on new. You can click on new and you can update the product name and unit groups in the sense, for example, if it is food or alcohol, those details. And units will be numbers, taxes will be 5% are exempted, and there will be no purchase rate for that, and mrp and sales rate. And department in the sense, for example, if it is a beverages or if it is a food or if it is a hot beverages, those details and all you can update. And brand will be not required. By using item master you can update those details. Once you update all the masters like room type, room plan, rooms, it will display like this. Means the user interface means on the dashboard it will display like this. For example, if you want to do check-in for 401, what you can do, you can place your cursor on the 401 and do right click. When you right click this one, here it will show refresh check-in, mark as maintenance. Okay, for example, when you click on check-in, what will be happen, here the one more window will get open. This is the check-in screen. And what you can do, you can search for existing customer. For example, if you are creating a new customer, what you can do, you can click on new, and here it will guest id not required. For example, if you want to enter guest name, what I'm doing, I'm just entering as a guest name as xyz. And the gender you can mention whether it is male or female, and mobile number also you can mention. And what could be the id type, whether driving license, other card, which details you are taking, those details and all you can enter here. And next will be nationality, and here you can give as a indian. And next will be state, for example, you can give andhra, karnataka or tamil nadu. And city, for example, if you are giving bangalore, tumkur, hassan, like that you can give. And you can give address. And for example, if it is a rainy notes, yes, you can update notes. Consider, for example, the respective person he's coming from behalf of any other company, you can update his company name as well as gst number at the time of print, at the time of sales invoice, means at the time of print bill, the company and gst number we can update in the respective bill. And next will be documents. Here there is option called documents, you can click on the document. What you can do, you can use webcam to take his picture. Or else what you can do, for example, if he give his photo as well as other card, driving license, any id proof through a hard copy or soft copy, means what you can do, you can scan those details and you can keep in one folder. By clicking on browse, it will take you to the respective folder. Or else what you can do, you can search and select the pic, click on open. If customer have scan copy, what you can do, you can just place those details on the desktop or else in local driver. And by clicking on browse, you can just select those details and click ok. For example, scan in the sense, if you means customer has hard copy, means by clicking on scan you will get one pop up. What you can do, in pop-up you can select which copy do you want to scan, you can scan those details. And for example, if you want to remove, means unfortunately, for example, if you scanned some other, or else if you browsed some other document instead of that customer, you can remove that. Once you enter all these details like customer document 1 image, 2 image and his photo, here there is an option called add, you can click on add. All those details get update. Once you update all this detail, you can click on save, his details will get saved. Okay, next will be, and here you can see automatically the customer has appear here. And his guest id, guest name, those details and all. And here what I can do, I have selected like a deluxe 401, and here there are a option called single occupancy and double occupancy. For example, if I click on double occupancy, automatically rate will get changed. If I click on single occupancy, the rate is getting changed. And if you want to change here the price means, yes, you can change the price as well. What I can do, for example, if I want to give 3900, sorry, if I want to give 3900, yes, I can give that. But these details means the price details will update and delete. Those details will be having only for admin. For users and all, we have not given these authorities. And here you can update as a grace period, whether it is 2 hours or 1 hour or 30 minutes, you can update like that. And here automatically your GST number, those means the GST value, those details and all, it will get update. And here I will show a receipt. For example, if customer is paying any receipt, what you can do, you can click on a receipt. It will show successfully check in, and you can click on OK. Here there is option called receipt. For example, if your customer is paying any advance means, you can just click on a receipt. Here the details will get display, how much your customer is paying. You can update how he's paying by cash, card or Google Pay. Those details and all, you can update. For example, if you want to enter any notes means, like this you can update, means like this you can enter, and next will be save. You can when you click save, automatically the respective balance amount will get reduced. For example, if you want to give this print mean, yes, you can click on a print. You can generate a print by using this print button, and you can submit this print to your customer, or else you can click on exit. This is the print details, and the respective print has been customized, no problem. Here you can update your address, and as well as here you can update your this one, what hotel name, those details and all you can update. And here who paid by, and what is the payment mode, and amount, total amount, these details are these details will get display. This can be customized as per user requirement. And once you're done with this, what you can do, you can click on exit, and here you can click on a close. And here it has been turned into red, you can see that. And for example means, if it is red means, consider this is occupied. And when you right click on the respective room, here it will show update check-in, extra bed order, advance entry, room transfer, checkout. For example, if I want to do any this one extra bed entry means, you can click on extra bed entry, and you can update one extra bed, and what could be the charges, 350 rupees. Yes, you can do what you can do, you can just click on a save, the successfully it will get update. These details also, what we can do, these details it will get added into the bill, like that we can do. This price will get added into the bill. You can click on close. And for example, if you want to transfer the room means, yes, you can do that. Here there is option called room transfer. Click on the room transfer. Here what could be the type, deluxe AC, and to which number you want to transfer means, you can select the number which you want to transfer, and what could be the rate plan, whether it is single occupancy or double occupancy. Yes, you can do that. If you want to check means, yes, you can check the availability. And here there is option called transfer. You can click on the transfer. Yes, the room has been transferred, like this. See, earlier it was red, now it has become red. And what you can do, here you can right click here you can right click this, and here there is option called mark as ready. For example, when you click on mark as ready, it will turn into the green. Like that you can update, means like that you can enter the details, like extra bed, advance entries, room transfer and checkout. For example, if you want to enter any advance means, is by right clicking this also, you can update the advance entry. And what you means, what I can do, see here the balance amount 2812. Earlier it was some 2500, now the room charges also get added. And now what I am doing, I'll just do 1000 rupees amount, I will just update, and cash, save. The details will get, means the details has been updated. Okay, if you want to give print, yes, you can print, or else you can skip this. Like that you can update all those details. And for example, here we can see in in-house guest. Okay, in-house guest who is there, and in which room number he is there, and what could be the room charges, and what could be the extra bed charges, and what could be the GST. Those details has been occupied, means those details has been occurred. And here there is option called occupancy, means how many rooms has been occupied, and what could be the occupancy. And expected arrivals means here it will display expected departures. Next will be room calendars, and here it will display deluxe, standard, non AC, super deluxe and all, and reservation list. And for example, if it is any reservation list means here it will display how to do reservation also. I will show you. Here there is option called reservation. You can click on the reservation. Once you click on the reservation, here it will one more pop-up will come. Here you can click on a new, and what I am doing means here updating the customer name like VGZ, and what could be the mobile number, entering like the mobile number. And next will be city and gender, and when he is coming, and what is a day out, and room time. For example, deluxe or super deluxe, those details and all you can enter. I'm choosing a super deluxe, and means I'm selecting a room number 1. Those details you can update now, means now also you can update, or else later also you can update, no problem. And number of adults, these things and all not mandatory, I'm just entering here. For example, booking mode, whether it is online or through phone, how he booked, those details you can update here. And next will be means once you update this booking mode, next will be advance, how much he is paying, whether he is paying 2500, or whether he is paying 1000, or whether he is paying 500 rupees through Google Pay or Phone Pay. Those details and all you can update here. And once you update those details, here there is option called check availability. You can check the room for the respective date, or else you can click on a save. Okay, the reservation has been updated successfully. And next will be what I am doing. Once the respective customer comes, what I will do, I will go to room type, which is super deluxe, and I will choose the respective room which is free, and I can click on a check-in. And here what I can do, here there is option called reservation. You can select the reservation, the details will come, you can double click, and you can do the rest process. What could be the rest process means, and what is a occupancy, and next will be what is the total room charges, number of days, those details, those GST, all those details will get appear. This is the way how you have to do the reservation. Next will be room order. For example, room order in the sense, consider respective guest order any food. By using this you can update, you can do the billing for the respective guest. Here there is option called room order. As I'm clicking on room order, and what I can do here, I can choose which means which I'm going to order, whether it is coffee, royalty, or water bottle, whichever it is. And here you can update the product, and automatically GST will get update. And here there is option called add to cart. You can click on add to cart. Here guest details, what you can do, you can click on a three dots. Here guest will come, you can select the respective guest. And next will be here, for example, if he's paying means paying amount means you can enter how much amount he's paying. For example, if he's not paying any amount means you can click on a zero in the total payment and click on save. The respective bill means the respective balance amount will get appear in his room details. Okay, click on OK, and this will be the bill. You can take a signature from here. You can take a signature from the customer, and you can click on close. Here also you can click close. And next will be what I am showing. I am showing laundry service. For example, if he is taking any laundry service means, is here there is option called laundry. Here there is option called laundry service. You can click on the laundry service. You can again, you can select the guest, and you can select the guest details, and here the service name will come. And what you can do, you can update the service, which service he required, and a rate automatically it will get display. In quantity you can enter how means how many quantity he required. And here there is option called add to cart. You can click on add to cart. If he is paying amount means you can update the amount. For example, if he is not paying amount means you can update as a zero, and click on save and print. It will get, again it will get attract to his respective bill. Okay, the print of which the print will generate, you can take a signature on the print. And next then after you can just click on a close. I have explained you how to do room order as well as laundry service for the respective guest. And next will be the restaurant means, for example, if the respective lodge associated with the restaurant means, this is a different billing for the respective restaurant. And consider this guest have some friends, those people has come outside means they want to order some food through restaurant means, what you can do, instead of clicking on room order, you can click on a restaurant. You can click on a restaurant, and they can order food what and all they want. Here there is option. By using this also, what you can do, the respective food name you can just type like this. You can update here. Once you update this, there is a click means there is a print or else save. For example, if you click save means it won't get print, the bill will not get print, means the food bill will not get print, it will get save. For example, if you click on print, the food bill will get save as well as it will print. Once you click on print, print will get generate. And next will be how to do checkout for respective room. Here I will show you. You can right click on the respective room. Here there is option called checkout. Click on the checkout. Here it will display how many number of days and what could be the total room charges, and how much she has paid, advance paid, and what could be the balance. Those details also it will show. Here you can see extra bed we have added for this respective guest, it has been added. And room order charges means how much she has ordered through inside restaurant, those details also it got occurred. And laundry charges, these details also it got occurred. These are the details means automatically it is observed. Okay, next will be what I am going to do. And next will be I am clicking on receipt. Here there is the option called receipt. Click on receipt. Here it will show you means what balance amount need to be collect. Here there is option enter amount 1413, the balance amount. Here how customer is paying, whether it's paying by cash or card, those details here you can enter. If you want to enter any remarks or notes, you can enter here. Then after click on save, the details has been saved. Now balance amount is 0. For example, if it is any refund means, one more option will come here. Here you can click and refund the respective amount to the guest. Next there is option called save. Click on the save. Here it will show you successful checkout. See, after the checkout, here you will get a refund option. For example, if you want to pay any amount means, you can click on the refund. If it is there any refund, automatically one more pop-up will get open. If there is no refund, you will get a pop-up message saying that no refund is pending. Next will be, you can click on a print bill. When you click on a print bill, here room details all means here tariff, all extra bed, all other what is the gst sgst, those details will come here. You can just take a print and you can submit to the customer. And for example, here there are laundry charges and room charges also occurred. So what you can do, here there is option called one more split bill. When you click on a split bill, the first bill will be the room charges and all other details will get display. And next will be the room service means food details will get display. And when you click on print, and next will be the laundry service, this one also will get printed. Means when you click on a split bills, it will get split and it will print into three different reports. Okay, next will be close. When you click on close, here it will show as yellow. And what you can do, you can, when you click on mark as ready, it will get mark as ready. For example, if it is there any maintenance means, you can click on mark as maintenance, it will turn into gray. If you want to do mark as ready again, you have to right click and click on mark as ready. The respective details will get, means the room will get into green color. I am going to explain about day end reports. Here there is an option called day ends. Click on day end. Here there is an option called post room charges. When you click on post room charges, here it will show how many rooms are available and what is the occupancy and how many checkouts has been done and how many reservations has been done. Room orders means for example, this is a restaurant orders means room orders. What could be the room orders, what could be the laundry, and how much receipt in the sense how much payment you have means accepted from the customer, means received from the customer, and what could be the balance. And here means you will get a in check-ins, Here check-ins displayed, in checkouts here checkouts will get display. Room rent, means what and all room rents, here it will display. Receipt, what and all receipts we have collected, means what and all payment we have collected from the guest, here it will display. For example, if you have done any refunds, here it will display. And room orders means if it is any food order, those details here it will display. And laundry, here it will display. And for example, if you want to print all these details through print report, means here there is option called print report. You can click on a print, and first one will be the receipt ledger, how much you have received from your guest, those details will display. And means once you click on a print, and next will be check-in report, and here all these details, check-in details will get display once you click on a print. And next will be guest list, means what is the guest name, what is the mobile number, what is the ID type, what is the ID number, address, all these details will get display. And next will be checkout report, and what and all checkout has been done today, those details will get display. And next will be room orders, and these room orders, what and all they have ordered, those details will get display. And next will be the laundry services, means which guest what laundry service he has taken, those details will get display. Like this, you will get a different print reports. You can just take a print and you can submit to your higher authority. And next will be the reports. Here what you can means in reports, you will get check-in report, checkout report, night audit report, in the sense same thing like day end report. Day end report, we will call it as a night audit report. And next will be police report. In police report, all the details will display. Like room wise also it will display in respective room, which guest is staying, and what is the room number, and what is the mobile number, and what is the date in, day out, number of days, ID proof, photos, all these details will get display. If you want to print this, means yes, you can print it, or else you can export to Excel those details. For example, if you want to click any check-in report, when you click on show, all the details of the check-in will get display. And next will be means in check-in report, room wise also it will get display, select by guest also it will get display. And next will be checkout report. In checkout report also, based on the room it will display, and search based on the guest name it will display. All these details will display. Each and every report can be export to Excel or export to PDF, or else you can print like that. For example, if it is any GST reports, means here all the GST reports will get display. The room number, subtotal, what is SGST, CGST, and what is the total amount, those details will get displayed. These details you can send it to your auditor. This can be export to Excel, and it can be print through PDF, or else it can be print. These details and all it will get display. And room order report, as well as next will be restaurant sales ledger, those details also will get display those reports. And this is the total explanation about the hotel management software. And if you have any doubt, please give a comment. Thank you. Have a good day.